Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making candy apples and probably candy plums, I'm thinking. We'll see how the plums come out, but yeah, stay tuned. First we're going to go with sugar. Then we're going to go with the water. And then again, water. And then the cornstarch. Well, not cornstarch, but corn syrup. And I'm going to stir. That's how I do mine. So, stir it up. These is what I'm going to be using right here. There's the apples and the plums. It's boiling, so I'm going to stir it up some. Do y'all want to see? Hold on, I'm going to let y'all see what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I'll be back. And I'm using these right here to stick on inside the apples. And you can get these off Amazon. Still boiling. It's going to take a while. Gotta be up to 310, I think, for it to become candy and hard. So yeah. So I'm gonna use my thermometer to see where it's at. Sticking it in there. Apparently this is what it says. That 217. So we still got a way to go. Long way to go. Well, not a long way, but you know what I'm saying. Be back. So I'm stirring it up again. See, it's not even, if y'all can see it. When they get a little thicker, it won't be like that. No running off the spoon. I ain't did this in so long. I used to love doing this. It'll be my first time doing the plums. My first time ever doing them. So stay tuned. So it's bubbling up. It's starting to get a little hard, I'm sure. I'm stirring it up some more. Gonna take a while. And I'm gonna take my thermometer and cut it on. and put it down in there. Okay, sorry. I ran out of storage again, but take this and put it in there. At a certain point, I'm gonna put um probably at 230 or 240. I'm gonna put this in there so my apples can come out the color that I want it to come out. Instead of you know how you have I don't know, like it's a see-through color. I don't want it like that. I want it to be not a see-through color. So if I'm using pink, I want it to be pink. I want it to come out the color of what I'm using. So yeah, I'm stirring it up some more. Make sure it don't stick or burn to the pot, because I don't got time for I ain't got time for all that. Keep stirring it up. And I will be back. Okay, I'm just here for 1 second, but remember when it was watery, it still is a little watery. Still is a little. But see, it's getting thick like it should be. And I'm gonna come back and let y'all see how it really is. Okay, I'm stirring it up again. You can feel it getting real thick, like me. No, I was playing. But yeah, I'm not playing really. But yeah. Gosh, shut up. But it's getting thick. If you can see it, you see it's dripping out and it's stuck. And it drips again and drips and it sticks and it drips and it sticks, drip. Yeah, it's getting right. But I'm gonna use my thermometer again and see what it's on. 234. Well, went up to 235 now. So probably at 240, I will be putting this stuff in there. This how I do my candy apples. Y'all do y'all's how y'all want. I do mine's how I want. All right. This is what it's looking like now. See what it's looking like. I'm gonna stir it up. And I'm gonna take this again. And see what it's at now. So now it's time for me to put my color white in there. And I'll be back. So what I'm gonna do is check it one more time. And it is at 2 50. Look like it's going up some more. I done went back down to 248, but it was at 250. Now it's back at 250. Oh, it's getting there, you see. So what I'm doing now is putting this in there. And that's what it's doing, looking like. Stir it up. I can make white ones too if I want, with Jolly Ranchers on there. If I want to do it like that, I might just do it like that. I don't know yet. Whatever come to my mind, but I see this color. That's the color I see on the on that candy apples, Jolly Rancher candy apples, and on the plums. Smells good too. And I'm gonna take this plate and take my apples and stick it down in there like this. Now I'm doing the plum ones. That's just gonna go right on through there. I probably won't do it like that. Somewhere you see me on here.
No, because they had it. Now, what if they copyright?
It ain't gonna do it all the way. But I'll be back when I finish. Nope, got it. There you go. Two. There you go.
Bruh.
4, 304, 306,
Get on my nerves.
309. Oh, 11. Take it off.
I do too much.
So I'm gonna do this color in here. So now what I'm gonna do, yeah, look, I'm gonna take it and dip it in there. It's the color that I was going for anyway. It's this color. And here go another one. You gotta work quick with it because And I'm going to do the rest off of camera. Because I know my storage get ready to run out again. I had to delete a whole bunch of stuff off my phone. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm about to blend it up. Oh, here go one. It's messed up, but about to rolling it around on there. Yes, I'm using my hands.
Our hands are clean.
Hands always clean because I ain't nasty.
I'm not nasty.
My daughter did this candy apple, but this is what it looks like. Okay, hold on. Let me sprinkle it on the bottom of it. I rewarmed it. I'll be back. So this is what I got out of what I did. I only got to do this one out of all of these. See? Just, but thanks for watching my channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and more videos will be coming soon. Make sure you hit that bell notification when you know that I post another video.